Welcome to Momo and Friends One.
Like, comment, and subscribe to see interesting facts.
Hey guys! Welcome back to my totally serious, totally professional slime lab. Today we're making the most epic slime ever. Guys, it's moving! Is that a good sign? Or like, the start of an alien invasion?
Okay. Step 1.
And now, the stirring. The ancient ritual passed down by slime masters for generations. What? ZSHHH. And now, the stirring. The ancient ritual passed down by slime... No. No.
Nacho.
Kenapa dia berdetak? Slime gak boleh punya denyut kan? Sendokku bergetar!
No.
Please don't move. It's alive!
This is not the magical slime I asked for.
Play with. Now what?
What? You can talk?
No, friends. Me want play. Hug.
Nope. You don't hug me. You jump on people. Wait, are you crying?
I just wanted a friend.
You're sad? I'm sorry. I didn't know you had feelings.
No, friends. Me want play. Hug.
Hey, friends! If you liked today's experiment, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more fun science with me.